Hey, this is Eric with Houston Windshield. If you have a pickup truck with a sliding back glass panel broke out, give us a call. We can help. We can get patch panels instead of replacing the whole thing, which is really expensive, especially if you have a power slider. They will be well over $1,000. We can get the patch panels and install them for usually around $250. Here's the patch panel ready to go in. As you can tell, it's already tinted. And there's your panel set in place. It'll have to set about an hour and it'll be ready to go. For all your auto glass needs, from repair to replacement, call Houston Windshield Repair 662-456-8310.